So for today's video, I am going to be making my first TBR jar. I am absolutely obsessed with TBR jar videos, so I thought it would be really fun if I jumped on the bandwagon. So yeah, as you guys saw, I went to Michael's craft store and I got some cute little supplies, and we were going to make a little TBR jar, and then I will do a few pics for the month of June. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little craft store haul. We have this cute little mason jar. It's such a cute little shape. It's almost like you can make your own little DIY candle in here. I should do that someday. Then I got some little chalk stickers so I could put a cute little TBR label on it. And then I got this chalk marker in the color pink because I just thought it was so adorable. Girly, focus. There we go. It's so cute. Cute little pastel pink, which I love so much. And then finally, I just got a little ribbon. I thought it might be cute if I tied a little bow around the jar, and I could use the rest for my hair because I am obsessed with the putting ribbon in your hair trend. I think it's the cutest thing ever. And then this is just stuff that I already had in my house, but I have some scissors and a pen and some paper. All right, let's get crafting. I haven't crafted in a minute and I just love doing artsy stuff, so this should be really fun. No! No! You guys, I just finished the jar. I absolutely love the pink so much. Shall we get into the prompts? This is so exciting. Okay, so I have my TBR cart right here. There are so many books that I am absolutely dying to get to. So yes, without further ado, let's pick our first prompt. Okay, so the first one is a book with flowers on the cover. Ooh, okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, yay! Alright, so our first book, where should I put it? We have The Dead Romantics by Ashley Poston. I am so excited to read another Ashley Poston book because I recently read The 7-Year Slip, and that book is now one of my absolute favorite books ever. And I just love Ashley Poston's writing so much. The 7-Year Slip owns a place in my heart. I love that book so much. So I cannot wait to read another one of her books. So yeah, this is the first book. Okay, let's do our second pick. Oh, first time author. Okay, so basically I'm going to choose a author that I've never read before, which is so fun because I absolutely love trying new authors and finding a new author to obsess over. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think we have a few to choose from. I think I'm going to go with Out on a Limb by Hannah Bonham Young. This book looks so cute, you guys. I've heard some really amazing things about this book, and also it is very floppy and big and has very large print, which I love. And I love the way the cover feels. It feels almost soft. I'm so excited for this book. Alright, we're gonna do our third pick. Ooh. Okay, this one says color wheel. Alright, I'm gonna go find my phone. Color wheel. Picker. Oh, yellow. Okay, so I think this one is my only fully yellow book. I have some yellow spines as well, but this one, the whole thing is yellow. So I think we're gonna go with this one. I absolutely love this author. You Deserve Each Other. Also one of my absolute favorite books ever. And yeah, I've been really wanting to read another book by her, and this one looks absolutely so cute. And I've had this on my shelf for a while, so I'm really excited to get to it. So yes, I'm gonna put it right here. All right, let's get back to the jar. Should we shake it up? Oh, something fell out. Wait, let's see what it is. Alliteration. Oh, this one's kind of fun. Oh, okay. Okay, so we have this one. This one's a top contender. This one is Done and Dusted. We also have Funny Feelings, Loathe to Love You. I think I'm gonna go with Done and Dusted. I believe it's a small town cowboy romance, which is giving the summer vibes. I feel like this is gonna be such a good book to read in the summer. So this is absolutely perfect for the month of June. All right, let's do our 5th pick. I put shake and pick again. All right, let's do it again. That didn't happen. You didn't see that. Okay, I got dad picks. Should we call my dad? Hi, I'm filming a video and I wanted you to pick one of my reads. You pick a book and then I'll read it this month. Yeah, you can pick anything. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so he picked Calee by Stephanie Garber. This is the final book in the Carrolli trilogy, which I absolutely love so much. I started reading it this winter and I am absolutely obsessed. So this is such a good pick. Thank you, Dad. Let's do the 6th pick. Oh wow. Okay, so this one says pick a butterfly clip color at random, then pick a book of the same color. Okay, so I have this cute little butterfly clip container. It has a whole bunch of colors. Oh, blue. Okay, so we got this little baby blue color. So we have None Shall Sleep, which is pretty close. And then we also have Counting Down With You. I think we're gonna go with Counting Down With You by ashlynn. I hope I said that right. My best friend, she loves this book so much. So I have a feeling I'm going to love this one as well. Okay, next pick. Oh yay! I really wanted this one. This one is Song Title, and when I wrote this prompt I had this one in mind. We have a Set On You by imovie, which is also the title of the song. Every time I look at this book, my head immediately goes to the song as well. I cannot wait for this book. Last year I read X's and O's and I fell in love with her writing style. I'm so excited to read another book by her. Alright, I think we're gonna do maybe 3 more. This is so much fun. I got a blank one. Alright, we're gonna go again. Ooh, matches outfit. Okay, let's see if we can find something to match. I'm thinking this one. This is the fine print by Lauren Asher, and this will be my first Lauren Asher book. I hear people rave about her books all the time, so I'm very excited to read one of her books. Okay, so this one says same color as your very chipped nail polish. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I wrote this. So as you can see, I have some pink nail polish left on my thumb. Okay, so I think this one actually matches the color perfectly. This is The Reunion by Kayla Olson, and this book sounds so good. The original cast for a TV show is having their reunion special, and I believe there's going to be some drama and romance, which sounds so much fun. This sounds really good. For the last pick, I thought it'd be fun to grab a whole bunch and then we could pick one of the choices. Oh, I know which one I'm gonna do. Alright, so we have Most Anticipated. I definitely know what I'm going to pick for this one. It's the new Emily Henry book. Screaming, crying, every single emotion. Emily Henry is my queen, my favorite author in the whole world. And yeah, I'm just so excited. I love you, Emily Henry. This is definitely my most anticipated of the whole entire year. I am so excited. Alright, so this is my June TBR. I had so much fun making this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.